A hurricane wind hit the village of Borogonцах in the Ust-Aldan region of Yakutia, Russia. The hurricane caused destruction at the stadium where sports games were being prepared. A strong wind hit the Ust-Aldan region of Yakutia and demolished structures from the stadium where the Republic held the sports games of its peoples. The incident happened in the village of Borogonцах. Eyewitnesses filmed how the hurricane demolished a huge television screen installed at the stadium, tore off the scenery, and also drove off tents and stalls. In addition, the elements knocked down fences and damaged wires on power lines. Specialists have already left the place to assess what happened. Weather damage has yet to be ascertained. Sports games, as already stated in the Republic, will be held according to the plan, from July 4th to 9. Take care of yourself and your loved ones. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss new videos.